We're going to look at simplifying algebraic expressions in this video. First thing I want to just refresh your memory is on like terms. So like terms. Okay, and for something to be, an example of that is if we have 3x and let's say negative x, they are like terms, as are 3ab and 2ba. Normally we write our pronumerals in alphabetical order, but if they are mixed up, both letters are the same, therefore they're still like terms. Look at a couple of examples. Okay, so we have 4 times 2a, and there it's just 4 times 2, okay, is 8, and then we have the a. This next one for b, negative 5b times 3ab. So we've got a negative times a positive, so I know it's going to be a negative. 5 times 3 is 15. Then we have a, and b times b gives us b squared, okay? And the reason that is because if we have, let's for example look at 2 times 2, it equals 4, but it also equals 2 squared. So all we've got to think of is the letter b times b. If we multiply them together, it would be b squared. Okay, let's look at C now. Example C. I'm going to simplify the numbers first. Okay, and 5 does go into 25. Okay, so it goes, and I'm going to put it down here. It goes 1, and I'm still left with AB over 5B. Now, we don't need to write 1 in front of a pronumeral because it's 1 itself. Okay, so what we can do though, we can simplify the b's, because b divided by b is 1, so they just simply cancel out. So I'm left with a over 5 for that example. The next one, I'm going to rearrange it, so it's 15, I'm going to change it around a little bit as well. Multiply by a, multiply by a, multiply by b, over negative 3 times a. And the reason I've wrote that out is so that you can see a divided by a, we can cancel one of the a's off. 15 divided by negative 3, okay, we'll go 5 times, that'll cancel off, become 1. So we're left with negative 5 on top, AB, all over 1, but our final answer is going to be negative 5AB. Okay, we've got 2 more examples. Now here we need to collect the like terms and simplify. So I'm looking for pronumerals with that are the same. So in this we have 3x and we have negative 5x. So if I have 3x and I subtract 5x, it's going to give me negative 2x, and then I also have minus 4. Okay, and the next one, 4ab plus 2ba. Remember, like we said in the first example, is AB and BA are the same letters, they're just mixed around. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is 6AB minus 7. And that's our final answer. I'm going to do one more example here. Okay, let's look at if we had 3a squared minus a plus let's go a squared. Okay, now I want to point out that a squared is different to a. Okay, so when we collect this like term here, we have 3a squared and we want to plus another a squared, so that's 4a squared, and then we're left with minus a. Okay, we can only bring like terms together that have the same powers also, okay, because a is really the power of 1, but we don't normally write that, okay, where this is a squared.